What is up? Paul here, Mr. Biggs, and I'm going to show you how you can whitelist or approve somebody in your Gmail account so they never go to your spam box, so they don't go to your promotions box, so their emails go into your primary box every single time. This is important because if you're doing network marketing or email marketing and you have a team, you want to make sure that you are whitelisting all of your team's emails. Because what that does is let your email server know that that is an authentic person. It helps their deliverability, it helps their success rate, and when you open every email from that person that you want to support or even respond to them, much better if you can reply to them and just reply and say, hey, I got the email, thanks. Or something simple, the more transactions the email addresses have with real people on a real basis, the better deliverability score those emails get. If you have a downline team and you want their emails to have more success when they're reaching out to their teams so you can help them grow, you want to make sure that you're doing this. So for anybody that you support in the marketing world, in the online marketing industry, this is a very important step to take. I'm going to show you in this video how to do it specifically for Gmail and on the computer. The steps are a little bit different when you're using mobile, so I will do another video for that later. So I'm going to switch to my screen, and you can see here's my Gmail account, one of my Gmail accounts. And what first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to look in the promotions tab, and you can see I have a whole bunch of emails from Wayne Crow, who I absolutely respect. I don't want to miss emails from Wayne Crow because Wayne's emails a lot of times involve, it's for OLSP, and if you're not in OLSP systems yet, you should send me a message, let me know. These emails often have codes that you can earn points for the OLSP system. So I want to make sure that I send all of these straight to the inbox, not the promotions box, not the spam box. So what I'm going to do is highlight his email address, make sure that I have it highlighted and copied, okay? Then there's the three little dots. I'm going to click on the three little dots and go to filter messages like these. So you can see the menu pops up to create a filter. Now, the from address is the email address you want to filter. So make sure that the email address that you want to keep safe is there. So if you can do Biggs at MySideHustle.vip, that supports my email. Biggs at m3team.net, that also supports my email. So do this for everybody that's on your team that you want to support. It is very important to recreate these steps for everybody. So you see next to the search bar, there's Create Filter. So click on Create Filter, and it gives you a whole bunch of options. So you can skip the inbox to archive it. You don't want to do that. Star it. I always star it if it's somebody that is important to me. I want to make sure it stands out. Apply the label. You can give it different labels to where they will pull up in different menus. So you can see I have a Live Good Referrals label on this one. I'm not going to do that. I am going to check never send it to spam. You can see it here. Never send it to spam. Also check always mark important because you always want it to be a priority email. And then check the box that says categorize as, and on the drop down, primary. So that's going to go to your inbox, primary inbox. And then you can check the box that says also apply filter to matching conversations. So what that's going to do is search your email box to apply the filter to all of the conversations with that. So if we click on create filter, it should have popped. If we go back to inbox, you can see the number changed. If we go to inbox, now all of Wayne Crow's emails are going directly to my inbox. So that's how you do it. You can go into the spam folder. Let's check the spam folder on here. And because I am part of Profit's business, this is the Sparky AI stuff. First of all, I'm going to click report not spam. So what that's going to do is move it to either the inbox or the promotions box, depending on where it landed. And I don't see where it went. So let me go find another one. There's another Sparky AI. And I'm going to copy this email address and then report not spam. Now what we're going to do is go in here and search from the inbox, search for the email address, and there's one. So we've made sure the email address is there, and then the three dots, again, at the top. filter messages like these. Make sure that the email address matches, create filter. We're going to star it, never send to spam, always mark it as important, and categorize as primary. Also apply filter to one matching conversation and create filter. Now if we go in here, those emails, yep, there it is right there. So you want to make sure you do that for all of the email addresses that are important to you. Hopefully that helps. It will definitely help your team with the email deliverability, the email success rate, the open rate. If there's links in the emails, click on those links, because it's letting, like if you're clicking on the links, it's letting Gmail know that this is authentic. This is something that's not scammy or spammy. It's stuff that people want to see. Make sure that you're helping your team out, or the people that you respect in the online marketing industry know. Give them some more authority, and open up every email. Click on the links, respond to them whenever you have time. Let them know you read the email, just to keep those emails going and keep those conversations go back and forth, because it has an algorithm similar to Facebook algorithms. Emails have algorithms too. Gmail carries an algorithm. YouTube carries an algorithm. Once you can find the ways to authenticate the email addresses for whatever email server that you use, I suggest everybody uses Gmail, but if you're using Yahoo, if you're using AOL, if you're using something else as your email server, you can find ways to authenticate the email address. At the very least, add them to your contacts. That does help too. But if you can create filters to send them to your inbox every time, that's going to improve their success rate. Until next time, hope this helps, and I will see you later.